In the previous video, we enabled important cloud services like Cloud Run, Artifact Registry, and the Earth Engine API. In this video, we will move into Phase 4, Cloud Deployment and Secure Access. Here, the WebGIS application will run on Cloud Run and securely connect with the Google Earth Engine using Service Account and Secret Manager. Let's understand why we need Service Account and Secret Manager. Service Account is the identity of the cloud application. It allows the application to securely access cloud resources like Google Earth Engine. Instead of storing credentials directly inside the code, we store them securely inside Secret Manager. So this helps keep our application more secure and follows best cloud practices. We also assign required EAM permissions to the service account so the application can securely access only the services it needs. Now let's learn how to create service account and securely store credentials using Secret Manager. In the Google Cloud Console, on the left menu, select I am and admin. Then select Service Accounts. Click on Create Service Account. Type the service account name. The service account ID will be automatically generated. Then click Create and Continue. Within Permissions, select a role. In the search bar, type Earth Engine and select Earth Engine Resource Viewer Beta version. This allows the application to access Google Earth Engine resources. Click Add another role. Then search for Cloud Run Invoker and select it. This allows secure interactions with the Cloud Run applications. Then add another role and select Artifact Registry Reader, which allows Cloud Run to access the container image during deployment. Finally, add Secret Manager Secret Accessor, which allows the application to securely access credentials stored inside the Secret Manager. Then click Continue and then Done. You can see new service account WebGIS Demo SA is created. Then on the left menu, click I am. There you can see the service account created with the roles assigned to it. Select service account within that WebGIS Demo SA and then let's create the keys. This is very important and should not be shared publicly. Within Add Key, click Create Key and select JSON. The key file will be created and downloaded into your local folder. Now on the top search bar, type Secret Manager API and enable it. Then on the left menu, go to the Security and select Secret Manager. Click on Create Secret. Give the name as GEE Secret. Then browse and select the downloaded JSON key file. Under encryption, you can see it uses a Google Managed Encryption key, so no additional configuration is required. Then click Create Secret. Now the GE secret has been created. This is how we create a service account and securely store the key inside Secret Manager. In the next video, we will learn how to use Secret Manager correctly inside the web application so it can be safely used in the production environment and also prepare the project folder for cloud deployment. Subscribe and turn on notification for the upcoming videos. Happy mapping!